This 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 24 MLE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, water heater, awning, TV, skylight, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 24 MLE is 7,855 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.